Good morning, all present here. I am Nandini, working as an assistant professor in SNS College of Technology, the Department of Computer Science and Technology. Today we are going to see a role play with our students on the topic how data analytics is used in placement training outcomes with the help of a design thinking framework. So with this phases, our students will be explaining how it works in it.
So the design thinking phase itself, we have the 5 stages: empathize, define, ideate, prototype and testing. Based on that, now we are going to see how data analytics is being helped in the data training, placement training. So I am playing as the student researcher. So a student researcher, the script to understand when students how they are going to be struggle, what are the struggles they are facing in the placement training. I interacted with final year students, my seniors, the placement trainers and recruiters. I collected data like the mock test scores of them, aptitude performance of the students, coding test attempts, and what are the test case they have been included, communication feedback, the GDs and speed interviews concept, and attendance in the training sessions are also been an important measurement. So students expressed issues like lack of practice, difficulty in quantitative aptitude, nervousness in interviews, and irregular training schedules are the struggles they are faced during this sessions.
And what he has said is correct. And from his understanding, how we can collect or how we can understand the data from others.
So to understand the placement challenges better, we should collect the additional data such as mock interviews feedback, topic-wise aptitude performance, coding practice level, and training attendance. We also gather resume quality report and recruiter feedback to identify the skill gaps. So consistent practice will help to overcome all these challenges.
So the second phase of design thinking is define phase. So you play a role as data analyst. So the data analyst help to analyze the data efficiently. So by analyzing the data, it has 60% of students scored low marks in aptitude testing, and 45% lacked coding fundamentals, and 30% were poor in attendance, and 50% lacked in confidence in their communication model. So by using that data analyst, we can analyze all this data. So the main problem here is the students are unable to perform well in placement training because training is not personalized based on their performance data.
So how can a student convert his performance into a clear problem statement?
So the students can convert the performance data into clear problem statement by analyzing the patterns such as low aptitude, weak coding skill, or irregular elements. So by these data, we can analyze the students' code.
I take the phase of ideate and I play the role of solution designer. Based on the defined problem, I transformed multiple data-driven solution, create a performance dashboard for every student, conduct AI-based mock interviews, introduce personalized training schedules, analyze test patterns to create topic-wise improvement plans, predict student placement reading using machine learning, provide weekly data-based feedback reports.
So he has given a good idea or a good solution for it. So what or which type of improvement or placement results will be most effective for the students?
So that improve placement results most efficiently is creating a personalized performance analytics dashboard for each student. It helps identify individual strength and weakness, allowing training in aptitude, coding and communication.
Yeah, that is correct.
Fourth phase is prototype and testing phase. In prototype and testing phase, we used to test the result and conclude it. I am a prototype developer here to explain the phase. And script, it is build a simple placement analysis dashboard using the past training data. It includes attitude score trends, coding test result, communication rating, attendance status, and overall percentage readiness overall placement readiness percentage. We test this with a group of 20 students and placement trainers. They suggest adding features like daily practice reminders, red flag alerts for the weaker areas, AI-based suggestion to improve scores. The prototype will now be refined for the full-scale users.
So rather than this, what type of new features we can add as a dashboard user?
To make the dashboard more useful, we can add features like weekly progress tracking, automated alerts for the weaker areas, personalized improvement suggestions. Integrating mock interviews, feedbacks, and resume scores will give the student to give the complete full view of the readiness.
Thank you so much, students. With the help of this design thinking framework, with the help of data analytics topic, we have got a clear idea how to get some placement training easy. Thank you so much.